Good morning, and welcome to the CEE Fund Daily Report. My name is William Bates, and I'm here to provide you with important information about what's been moving markets. This podcast is created through the Captain's Educational Enrichment Fund at Christopher Newport University. The date is Monday, October 12th. Starting today, we are moving the daily updates to Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and hoping to release interviews and educational content on Tuesday and Thursday. U.S. equity markets have clearly had a particularly bullish run in the past week. Markets have now regained a major portion of September's losses. Investor optimism appears to be running high, even with major risk events just around the corner, most notably the U.S. presidential election less than 4 weeks from now. Big banks will lead off the third quarter earnings season next week, with investors likely to see more surprises than normal due to the uncertainty of forecasting numbers amid a pandemic. The 12 largest U.S. banks are all forecast to report a profit. Overall, third quarter profit for S&P 500 companies is forecasted to be down 21% year over year. Some of the important companies for our portfolio releasing earnings includes JP Morgan, United Health, and Johnson & Johnson. Economic highlights in the week ahead include the Consumer Price Report, the latest Philadelphia Fed Index reading, and an update on retail sales. More debate over a stimulus bill is expected daily. The delayed Amazon Prime Day shopping event will run from October 13th to the 14th. Some firms are forecasting that the Amazon sales could generate as much as $9.9 billion globally, beating the estimated $6.2 billion brought in from last year. As many as 200 million items could be sold. Amazon is promoting Prime Day as an early start to the holiday shopping versus the typical focus on summer and back-to-school shopping. JP Morgan says Amazon has been building out its own logistics network in recent years, which should have it prepared for the holiday season. Amazon will face some direct competition next week, as Walmart, Best Buy, and Target will be on the offensive by offering their own online discounts and promotions. Walmart's Big Save event will cover deals on electronics, home, toys, beauty, and fashion, while Target's deal will also hit those categories. Apple is giving the first look at the iPhone 12 in an event called High Speed on October 13th. The lineup of new phones is expected to include a standard iPhone 12, a smaller iPhone 12 mini, an iPhone 12 Pro, and an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Other products that have been discussed include the HomePod Mini, AirTags, and AirPods Studio over-the-ear headphones. Bloomberg reports that the highly anticipated Apple Silicon Max will be launched at a separate event in Cupertino in November. The coronavirus pandemic caused U.S. airlines to make temporary changes to their ticket policies, allowing passengers to change or even cancel their upcoming flights without a fee. Now, some of the biggest airlines are making those changes permanent on many of their tickets. On August 30th, United Airlines announced it would permanently remove change fees for standard economy and premium cabin tickets for travel within the U.S. They later added Mexico and the Caribbean to this list. Alaska Airlines, American Airlines, Delta Airlines, and Hawaiian Airlines followed suit in the days following with similar policies. Southwest Airlines continues to have no change fees without limitations. Outstanding credit card balances fell by approximately $300 million in July of 2020. In part, this reflects a reduction in card use due to less vacation travel, commuting, restaurant dining, and other typical pre-pandemic spending. While reducing credit card spending is good for individual consumers, it hurts card issuers, who now make a greater proportion of their money off of interchange fees. Our endowment portfolio increased by 0.34% on Friday. The C Fund portfolio was up 0.72% Friday, and the S&P 500 was up 0.89 Friday. Both of our portfolios earned money but underperformed the total market. Thank you for listening to the Captain's Educational Enrichment Fund Daily Report. I hope we can continue to provide valuable information for you to learn and make decisions in the market. Thank you again, and happy trading.